if you keep ignoring this. You could lose your independence and the simple joy of walking wherever you want. Too many people over 50 are making this dangerous mistake without realizing it. And sadly, it could lead to a future stuck depending on others just to get around. As we age, many of us notice something we wish we could change. Our legs start to feel weaker year by year. Maybe climbing stairs leaves you short of breath, or you wake up with tight, achy calves. Maybe you had a close call on the stairs, or found yourself struggling just to get up from the couch. It is easy to chalk it all up to aging, but what if I told you that this decline is not inevitable? I have met countless men and women in their 60s and beyond who wish they had taken action sooner, back when their legs were just a little wobbly. The truth is, most people do not realize what is really behind this loss of leg strength. Could it be that there is something missing from your nightly routine that could change the future for you and your legs? This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. After spending years helping seniors take back control of their health, I have learned that what we do at night is just as important, if not more so, than what we do during the day. Most people think exercise is enough to keep their legs strong, but that is only part of the picture. Your muscles do most of their repair and rebuilding while you sleep, and that is when the real changes happen. But here is the problem. Your body cannot make stronger legs out of thin air. You need key nutrients in your system, ready and waiting, so your muscles have the building blocks they need to reconstruct and grow overnight. Let me give you a simple comparison. Imagine a builder who shows up at a renovation site in the middle of the night. He is ready to work, but the delivery truck forgot all the bricks, mortar, and lumber. No matter how skilled the builder, nothing gets done unless those materials are there. This is exactly what happens to your leg muscles if you go to bed missing certain vital nutrients. Every night, your body tries to repair and replenish your muscles, but without the right vitamins, the job never gets finished. Over time, this leads to weaker, more fragile legs and puts you at risk for falls and loss of independence. Many doctors do not talk about this enough, and it is not a topic big supplement companies spend money advertising. Why? Because the solutions are simple, natural, affordable, and frankly, not very profitable on a mass scale. Yet, study after study has observed the same thing. Older adults with just one of these critical vitamin deficiencies are more likely to suffer muscle loss, have trouble walking, and experience balance problems. One respected medical journal even reported that lacking one key nutrient can triple the risk of falling after age 60, slow muscle recovery by over a third, and raise the chance of painful nighttime leg cramps. But here is the hopeful part. When you get the right nutrients into your system at the right time, specifically before bed, you can actually help your legs grow stronger, even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Why does nighttime matter so much? The answer comes down to how your body repairs itself while you sleep. Between roughly 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your system produces the highest level of growth hormone, the very hormone that signals muscle tissue in your legs, thighs, and calves to rebuild. In deep sleep, blood flow to your muscles increases by up to 50%, delivering not only oxygen, but the nutrients muscles need for real recovery. But if those nutritional building blocks are not in place before you go to sleep, your muscles simply cannot keep up with the daily wear and tear. Over months and years, your legs quietly lose their strength. So, which vitamins actually make the biggest difference? Research from sources like the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology suggests that seniors who time their nutrition for overnight muscle repair show up to 41% better muscle protein synthesis compared to those who do not. That translates to stronger legs, better balance, and a higher quality of life well into older age. Now, I am going to walk you through the 3 vitamins your body needs to fuel this overnight muscle recovery. And the third one on this list is the secret weapon hardly anyone talks about. Vitamin number 1 is vitamin D3. And before you tune out thinking, I already get enough D from the sun, let me explain why almost nobody over 60 does. As we get older, our bodies become less efficient at producing vitamin D naturally, even if we spend hours outside. After age 60, research indicates our skin is about 50% less productive at making vitamin D. Vitamin D3, specifically the D3 form, is the key player here because your muscles need D3 to activate the genes for rebuilding muscle protein. A study from the Journal of the American Geriatric Society tracked over 4,000 adults above 60 for several years. They found that those with optimal D3 levels had nearly 30% more leg muscle compared to those with low levels. The benefits go even deeper. Vitamin D3 works directly on what scientists call your type 2 muscle fibers. These are the powerful, fast-acting fibers that help you get out of a chair, catch your balance, or quickly climb stairs. Unfortunately, type 2 fibers are also the ones we lose the fastest with age. But D3 can help slow this loss and support their regeneration. How does this tie into your bedtime routine? When you take vitamin D3 at night, it is available for use during those muscle repair peak hours in your sleep. Research from the University of Birmingham saw that seniors taking D3 at night improved their leg strength by over 30% in 3 months compared to those taking it in the morning. It is a real difference you can feel. Not enough D3 in your system leads to more than just weak legs. It can slow your reaction time, leaving your balance unsteady and making you 3 times more likely to fall. According to some studies, when vitamin D levels drop, the signal from your brain to your leg muscles becomes less efficient. You may also feel your legs are heavier or more tired even after you have been resting. Many older adults have nagging leg pain or fatigue that simply traces back to low D3, no matter what the doctor tests for. So how much do you actually need? Most experts suggest between 2,000 and 4,000 IU per night taken just before bed, and always in the D3 form, not D2. Why? D3 is far more effective at raising your blood levels and actually reaching your muscle cells. Because vitamin D3 is fat-soluble, it should be taken with a little healthy fat like a few nuts or MCT oil for the best absorption. Is this a magic overnight fix? No. If you have been low in D3 for years, it may take weeks or even months to feel the full effects, but many notice improvement in energy, stability, and mood within 4 to 6 weeks. Remember, always talk to your doctor before adding vitamin D3 supplements, especially if you are taking medications for your heart or blood pressure. Vitamin D3 is the foundation, but to truly rebuild and relax your muscles, your body needs help from the next key player, magnesium. And to be specific, magnesium glycinate. Most people have heard about magnesium for sleep and relaxation, but did you know how crucial it is for rebuilding muscle at night? Magnesium supports over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. At least 27 of those reactions relate directly to muscle protein synthesis, the very process that adds strength and resilience to your legs. Think of magnesium like the yeast in a homemade bread recipe. Even with all the right ingredients, if you leave out the yeast, the bread never rises. Similarly, without enough magnesium, your body cannot finish making new muscle. This is why a lack of magnesium often causes legs and feet to feel stiff, especially at night. Magnesium has another job. It carefully controls how calcium enters and leaves your muscle cells. Without enough magnesium, calcium can flood into your muscles and get stuck, forcing them to tighten up uncontrollably. That is when you get those stubborn nighttime Charlie horses or leg cramps. But when you supply your body with the right form of magnesium glycinate cramps are less likely, and muscle repair works more smoothly. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition compared older adults who optimized magnesium with those who did not. They found 42% fewer leg cramps and nearly 30% better muscle function in the magnesium group, supporting the importance of this mineral for nighttime muscle health. So why do I recommend magnesium glycinate in particular? Magnesium comes in many forms, but magnesium glycinate is absorbed much more easily than the common, cheaper magnesium oxide. which the body barely uses. The glycinate form does not upset your stomach and is gentler to take just before bed. What happens if you do not get enough magnesium? Your legs will feel tight and uncomfortable, especially in the evenings. Muscle recovery after activity slows down, so even a walk in the park might leave you sore for days. Your risk of muscle strains and even minor injuries goes up, since your muscle fibers turn brittle and struggle to repair themselves. According to government estimates, up to 70% of people over 60 are magnesium deficient, which means most of us are not supporting healthy muscle overnight. How much should you take and how? The recommended dose is 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate per evening. Most people start with 300 milligrams and adjust if needed. If you ever feel digestive changes like loose stools, simply lower the dose a bit. So we have vitamin D3 for muscle building and magnesium glycinate for relaxation and repair. But there is one last nutrient that most people have never heard of when it comes to muscle strength. This one is truly a game changer: vitamin K2. If you have not heard much about vitamin K2, you are not alone. Most doctors overlook it, and it rarely gets any attention. Yet I have seen it make the difference between legs that keep you moving and legs that seem to age before their time. Let me share what makes vitamin K2 so special. K2 is not the same as the better-known K1 found in leafy greens. Rather, K2 is present in fermented foods and certain animal products, and it plays the role of a director in your body's calcium management. As we get older, calcium begins accumulating in places it should not, like your arteries and even inside muscle tissue, while simultaneously leaving the bones and muscles where it is needed most. This is called the calcium paradox, and vitamin K2 solves it. Think of K2 as a traffic cop. It instructs calcium to move into your bones and away from your soft tissues. When it is not present, calcium can settle in the muscles of your legs, causing stiffness, weakness, and even interfering with how they contract and relax. Research published in the Journal of Bone and Mineral Research followed seniors over 12 months and observed a 31% increase in leg strength and a major jump in physical performance just from adding vitamin K2. K2 also works in teamwork with D3. While D3 tells your muscle cells to grow and repair, K2 ensures calcium is delivered only to the right places, preventing excess calcium buildup that can actually weaken your muscles or stiffen blood vessels over time. This is especially important if you use high-dose vitamin D3, as without K2, all that extra calcium can float through your body, causing trouble. For optimal results, vitamin K2 is best taken at night together with your other muscle-supporting nutrients. During those nighttime repair hours, K2 makes sure every new muscle fiber built is solid and functional. So how do you know if you are low in K2? Stiffness that lingers when you get up in the morning, odd weakness in your legs that does not match your activity level, and persistent joint pain, especially in the knees, can all be signs that calcium is not going where it should. Dosage matters for K2. Experts generally recommend between 100 to 200 micrograms per night using the MK7 form. MK7 lasts longer in your body and keeps supporting your muscles all through the night. And absolutely check with your doctor if you use blood-thinning medications, since vitamin K2 can interact with them. By now you can see these 3 vitamins are not optional if you want to protect your strength and independence. They are the foundation for your legs to rebuild themselves every night. Now, let me show you the best way to put them into practice for real overnight improvements. First, take all 3 vitamins D3, magnesium glycinate, and K2 together 30 to 60 minutes before going to bed. This maximizes their effect during the critical peak hours when your body releases growth and repair hormones. In fact, most people find that the magnesium also helps them fall asleep more easily and wake up less often with cramps or restless legs. Here is an easy protocol to follow. Vitamin D3. Start with 2 Zosand IU before bed for 2 weeks. Only move to 4 Zosand IU if you tolerate it well and after speaking with your healthcare provider. Always pair it with a source of healthy fat, either a combined supplement or a handful of nuts. Magnesium glycinate. Take 300 to 400 milligrams before bed. Begin low and go up if you need more relief from cramps or tightness, but adjust downwards if you notice any digestive side effects. Vitamin K2 MK7, between 100 and 200 micrograms per night, always together with D3. Many supplements now combine D3 and K2 in the same capsule for convenience. Just double-check the dose and ensure it is the MK7 variety. There are a few more things you can do to help these vitamins work even better. Consistency is key. Your legs need these nutrients every night, not just once in a while. If you find it hard to remember, try setting a nightly alarm or timer. Give your new routine time to deliver results. It usually takes 4 to 6 weeks to notice stronger legs and fewer cramps, but substantial changes can take up to 3 months. Stay patient. Deep muscle repair does not happen overnight, but with regular support, your legs can actually get stronger, not just less weak. Do not forget to stay well hydrated. Muscles use more water for repair, so drink 6 to 8 glasses throughout the day. Even if you're not thirsty, I often get asked, do you need to exercise? 2. Yes, you do not need a gym or heavy weights, but gentle movements like chair squats, calf raises, and walking with a light resistance band help signal your muscles to rebuild. Combined with these nightly nutrients, even a little activity makes a big difference. One last word of caution. Do not skip one of these vitamins or take them inconsistently. They rely on each other to do the job. Vitamin D3 without K2 may eventually lead to calcium issues. Magnesium without D3 cannot rebuild muscle. All three work as a team. Let's quickly recap. Your legs are not doomed to weaken just because you are getting older. Overnight, your muscles have the unique chance to repair and strengthen if they have the nutrients required. Vitamin D3 tells your muscle cells to grow and recover. Magnesium glycinate helps them relax, repair, and avoid painful cramps. Vitamin K2 keeps calcium going to the right places, ensuring each new muscle fiber is strong and every movement is supported. You are not powerless. Research shows that getting these 3 nutrients in harmony leads to better leg strength, improved balance, and significantly fewer leg cramps. If you are noticing trouble getting up from a chair, finding stairs more intimidating, or just waking up stiffer every day, do not accept this as just part of life. Start tonight. Give your leg muscles what they need, and you could soon enjoy steadier, more powerful steps and the confidence that comes with true independence. If you found this helpful and want more practical tips for strength and health in your 50s and beyond, subscribe now. And do not forget to check out my other videos on simple daily habits that keep you moving strong for years to come.